Bitcoin's. Meantime, another 52-week high for Bitcoin.
Look, I'm sure you've heard about it. I mean, you clicked this video, didn't you? The biggest bull run of crypto is currently happening, and within the next few months, many coins could 50x, 100x, or even 1000x. So if you invested just $1,000 and you find a gem that did 1000x, that would become $1 million.
God damn.
And if you follow me on Instagram, you know me and my followers have been taking absolute advantage of this insane run. But how do you buy these coins in the first place? Well, that's why you clicked this video, right? Well, if you want to buy Bitcoin, or any currency for that matter, you're gonna need to find a good crypto exchange. Now, if you're somewhat new, you've probably heard of the exchange Coinbase. They are a popular exchange, and honestly, if you're a crypto noob, that's probably what you've heard of. But there's a huge problem with this exchange. Coinbase doesn't really have a good coin selection. Sure, they have the popular ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but if you want to find the altcoins at 1000x, you're probably not gonna find them on Coinbase. So I'm telling you now, save your time and energy and find a better exchange. You'll end up doing it anyway. I personally use Bybit. Why I like Bybit so much is because it has one of the best coin selections on the market, and on top of that, they have great fees. See, every time you buy or sell a currency, the exchange you're using will take a fee. I know. It sucks, right? But compared to other exchanges, Bybit has some of the lowest fees out there, so it's great in that regard too. Plus, if you sign up with the link in my description, you can earn up to $30,000 in free money depending on the amount you first deposit. So they basically give you money for depositing money. Pretty good deal. Another great exchange if you can't sign up with Bybit is Kraken. Kraken is great. The only limiting factor for Kraken is they have somewhat of a lower coin selection than Bybit, but it's a great exchange nonetheless. I'll leave links to both exchanges in the description. So you click the link and you created an account. Now you have to do the fun part, which is actually purchasing the crypto. Just link your card or bank account to the exchange and deposit however much you want to invest. Most exchanges make it very easy to purchase crypto. So just type in whatever currency you're interested in. So say if you wanted to purchase Bitcoin, we would go up here, type in Bitcoin. Since we only have US dollars in our account, we would want to select this one, BTC/USD. Then type in whatever amount you want to purchase, click buy. Then boom, within 2 minutes of work, you now own Bitcoin. Aww. Congrats. But we ran into another problem. We need to store our crypto off of the exchange. We need it off Bybit and onto something we can control. If you haven't heard, there was a famous exchange called FTX that basically collapsed due to scandals and a bunch of illegal stuff. And every person that had their funds on that specific exchange basically lost all of their money. Poor guys. To make sure that doesn't happen to us, we have to move our crypto off of Bybit and into something that we, and only we, can control.
Introducing
a ledger wallet. A ledger wallet is basically a physical wallet that looks like a USB where you can store your crypto on. The only way to access this wallet is with a PIN number you created. So if you go this route, your funds aren't sitting within a huge crypto corporation. Instead, they are sitting right next to you in your own living room. Pretty neat, right? And nobody can touch this crypto as long as they don't have the PIN number. So it makes everything super safe. My favorite hardware wallet is the Ledger Nano S. I'll leave a link to it on Amazon if you're interested in one. So basically, you buy the crypto on an exchange, then transfer it to your wallet here. To do that, go to the dashboard of your Ledger Nano S, click receive, select your account, then it'll have you type in your password. Enter it, then finally, it'll give you the address of your wallet to send to. Click copy and copy this address, go to your exchange, click on whatever currency you want to transfer and click withdraw. Type in the amount you want to send, then paste the address we copied earlier into this box. After a few minutes, the crypto will transfer, and now it will be in your hardware wallet safe. A bunch of new people in crypto completely pass this step, and it's seriously crucial to both you and the crypto, just in case something goes wrong with the exchange you're using. I mean, you don't want to end up like these guys, do you? Finally, store both your hardware wallet and its password in a safe place. So you now know how to buy Bitcoin and how to safely store it, but how do you find the coins that'll 100x? Well, luckily for you, I made a free newsletter where I send 2 emails every single week with all of the coins I'm currently watching. I give my analysis and why I think it's a buy or a sell. And the best part is, it's completely free. If you're interested in that, I'll leave a link in my description. Well, you did it. You're now part of the crypto community. Good luck, and don't lose all your money.